someone to clean off my knife. Oh, and Gar, when we find her, she's mine.
Yes, sir.
If you won't mount a defense, then you must leave here.
You came all this way just to say that?
No, that wasn't the only reason.
What other purpose could you have?
I wanted to come home. I thought maybe this time I could get it right.
I don't think anything will ever take away the shame and sorrow you've brought on your kinsmen.
Probably not. But I'm going to spend the rest of my life trying.
Oh, Xena. I wish I could believe you.
Here she is. We know what you're up to, Xena, and we won't let you get away with it.
What are you talking about?
Her army is burning fields in the West Valley.
That's a lie. It's Draco's army.
Then why are they carrying your banners and shouting your name?
Do what you will with her.
You should have stayed with your army, Xena. This is the last village you'll ever see.
Well, what are you waiting for? Take your revenge. Come on. It's true what they say. It's sweet. What? Is one woman too much for you? Let me even the odds. One unarmed woman might be more to your tastes.
Wait! Now, you don't know me. I'm new in town. But I can assure you, Xena is a changed woman. I saw her do some heroic things in the name of good.
Unless you're suicidal, you'll get out of the way. She's brought Draco down on the valley.
Draco? No, he's a scary guy. And I understand why you're upset. But let me throw some logic at you.
Look, you're wasting your breath. We'll never put our faith in Xena again. I buried 2 sons because of her. Now, get out of the way.
Now, hold on. Let's say that you're right, and she's Draco's buddy. Let's say she's even his girlfriend. Well, what have you accomplished? You think that Draco's bad news now? What do you think he'll be like when he hears that you knocked off his woman? Oh, boy. Gives me the creeps even to think about it.
All right. But get Xena out of here right now.
No problem. Xena.
What?
I could probably get up there behind you.
What are you talking about?
Wait, you're not gonna just leave me here, are you? I came all this way to see you. That is your problem. Hey, I just saved your life. Where are we going?
To see my brother.
Yeah!